Welcome back. So we're going to talk about how I paper patch muzzleloader bullets to get 100-yard groups like this. So you have to have the right kind of bullets. These bullets, when wrapped twice with the right kind of paper, this is 9-pound, they call onion skin paper. And when you wrap that twice, you'll get to bore diameter, whatever your bore diameter. So in this case, my bore diameter is 0.500 inches. These are 0.492 diameter bullets. You have to have should have a template and a cutting tool, something to cut them on. So I'll start by lining up the edges of 10 or so sheets, and my template's 1 inch wide, my scale's 1 inch wide. I'll go ahead and cut a strip. Once I have that strip, I'll lay my template on here. From what I understand, when you do these, when you make a template, or if you buy one, it's already done, but as long as the angle on each end is the same, that's all you really need. And the angle here is 60 degrees. So I have some water. I'll take a patch, wet it, I'll lay it on the granite here. You got a nice flat table or whatever that works too, sheet of glass. I have a left-hand twist, so I'm going to point my bullet to the left, and this point will be to the left, and that helps this patch load without tearing, and it helps it open up when it leaves the barrel. So I'm going to start it in about so far from the edge of the paper, and as I roll this, I watch the edge of the paper and keep it lined up like that. When we get around the second time, those two edges should meet right there without overlapping. And I'm going to roll this paper in. Take one of these, push it in. Set it down, do another. So once I got a bunch of them wrapped up, I set them on a piece of paper towel. Then I'll start pulling the water out of them. I'll set them on here for a while, and then I'll put them in the sun or put them in front of the vent. They're going to have some looseness up here right now. This one didn't meet precisely, but for me that's not a deal breaker. And then this came and met in the middle, but anywhere from that to this, I think seems to shoot just fine. Use a look after they've been dried. It's fairly tight on there. And then if I'm going to size them, I have this bushing. And push them through, and it just mostly irons out the paper.
Yes. Around that range, I just got a 22. I got to sight into this one. We'll be going down range. Okay. We'll be going down range. Just want to see that.
It's a little bit breezy here today, but I decided to go ahead and shoot 100 yards with the paper patch. And they're all in that circle. I think that circle is about 3.5 inch diameter. It's like I said, it's kind of breezy, gusty, but I'm trying this slow-mo. So I'm kind of rushed to get the shot because the file size gets real big real fast. But anyway, that's how I do paper patch. If you've got any questions, comments, suggestions, I'm open to that. And thanks for stopping by.